Welcome to BMC's Control-M installation video series. In this video, you will learn how to install Control-M Enterprise Manager on Unix using an existing PostgreSQL database. This custom installation allows you to choose the database server, database names, usernames, host names, and port settings. If you want to install multiple instances of Control-M EM on several computers using the same configuration, use the automatic installation as described later in this video. A few things to know before you begin. The default installation is interactive and uses a GUI display. Xserver must be running and configured using the display environment variable. If you do not have the Xserver available, BMC recommends that you continue with the console installation or perform an automatic installation. Before you install, verify that your Unix operating system and PostgreSQL database software is compatible with the current version of Control-M EM. For a detailed list of Unix and PostgreSQL requirements, see the Control-M help and Control-M release notes. In addition, the database server must have the PLPG-SQL and DB-Link extensions. The database administrator name must be Postgres, and OS-authenticated logins to the database are not supported. To start the installation process, mount the installation DVD, or, from the temporary directory, extract the tar.z file. Next, set your display environment variable. From your home directory, run the setup.sh command. The Control-M installation wizard opens, which will guide you through the installation process. Read and accept the license agreement. Select Additional Installations and then select the Control-M Enterprise Manager option. To install with an existing PostgreSQL database, select Custom Installation. In the Database Server Type screen, select PostgreSQL. In the Database Server Setup Type screen, select Install a new database on an existing PostgreSQL database server. In the Database Advanced Parameters screen, the host interface name determines where the existing PostgreSQL database server resides. Click Test to confirm its availability. Next, define the DB server port number. In the Database Owner Properties, enter the database owner user and password, and in the System Administrator Properties, enter the database administrator password. In the Database Properties screen, the database name is populated by default. If you want this installation to work in CJK mode, select Enable Chinese, Japanese, Korean support. In the Control-M Enterprise Manager configuration screen, the Corba naming service port number and Control-M web server port number are set by default. If needed, change them within the valid port range. In the summary screen, review the installation details. If you want to install multiple instances of Control-M EM on several computers using the same configuration, click Generate and select the location to create the XML parameter file. Copy the file to a network location that is accessible to all computers and run the installation script. For more information, see the Control-M help. Now, let's install. After the installation completes, close the current session and start a new one to start working with Control-M Enterprise Manager. The Control-M client is available on Windows only. To configure the automatic startup and shutdown script for Control-M EM, see the Control-M help. Thank you for watching this video.